Hey everyone, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklateXHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with a interesting Friday forecast update for you. We've got a very cold Friday headed our way, and it is looking more and more likely that we will see the potential for some winter weather tonight. Very low accumulations. That is something we'll have to watch late tonight and into tomorrow morning, especially if you have some travel plans on those roadways. Higher temperatures this morning, 20s and 30s, so most of us have dipped below freezing here. We still have that north wind making its way through at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. So we do have wind chills this morning in the teens and 20s in all areas. And as we go through the day, not going to see much of a warm-up. So make sure you are definitely bundled up today. This is quite the change from the 70-degree high temperatures we have seen for much of the week. You see pinpoint Doppler pitting a quiet sweep across the region this morning. We do have some dry air for the time being. Your afternoon highs just today topping out in the low to mid-40s. We'll see increasing clouds as we go through the day. And even this afternoon with the north breeze 10 to 15 miles per hour, your wind chills will likely be in the mid-30s for much of the day today. So there's the cold front. Now moving off to the east here, you see there is some precipitation down across portions of Texas, which will eventually move into the Arklatex later today. And so what we've got is we've got very cold air at the surface here, but we do have those warmer southwest winds aloft. That is going to push some warmer air and some rainfall in kind of at the upper levels here. And as that falls through the colder layer down at the surface here, we will see a bit of a changeover from some of that rain, perhaps into some sleet, some freezing rain, even some snowflakes here with just some trace accumulations expected on the grassy surfaces. But this will also impact bridges and overpasses tonight as those roadway temperatures dip below freezing as well. So if you have travel plans tonight, early tomorrow morning, that is something we will have to watch. And you see your lows tonight, most of us dipping below freezing, especially across the northern Arklatex. So the potential, I think, north of I-20, a little bit higher to see some of that winter weather tonight. So here's a look at Futurecast. Starting out maybe a little sunshine this morning. Here comes the cloud cover, and then here comes that light rain late tonight after sunset. We could see it transition, I would say, even before midnight in some locations here. But you see Futurecast does paint in that transition here from some rain into some winter weather, especially up along I-30, basically between I-20 and I-30. Once we go through the overnight hours tonight, that would continue if there is still rainfall in the area, possibly until I would say 9-10 a.m. Saturday morning. That's when everybody should warm back above freezing. So any light precipitation that we see Saturday is likely going to fall as rain. But you see even Sunday morning with that cold air still in place here, we may have another chance for some winter weather, maybe even Sunday morning across the northern Arklatex here. But what will happen during the day Sunday, we'll have a warm front lift across the region, so your temperatures safely back into the 40s and 50s on Sunday. So we will have some rainfall along that warm front, especially across the northern Arklatex as we go through the day Sunday, with the expectation we'll see the rain continue at times Monday before another cold front moves through on Tuesday morning. So good to see here forecast models over the last 24 hours have come down quite a bit on the rainfall totals. It was showing some 3-4 inch accumulations yesterday. You see that today painting in a good 1 to 2 inches, maybe some 2 to 3 inch amounts across the northern Arklatex, which is kind of a better outlook than what we were showing you yesterday. But we'll see a little bit of a warm up early next week. Again, your highs Saturday in the mid 40s as well, back into the 50s for many of us on Sunday. A lot of locations will stay in the 40s across the northern Arklatex on Sunday, it's looking like, and then a warm up into the upper 50s and 60s Monday, Tuesday. Cold front rolls through Tuesday. May get a dry day Wednesday with perhaps a little bit of sunshine, something we haven't seen a lot of lately, but it looks like a chance of showers returning late next week as well.